What is Dutch disease?
The Curious Case of the Golden Anchor. How finding treasure can sink your ship. Imagine stumbling upon a real-life treasure chest buried in your backyard. Gold coins, sparkling jewels, the works. You're suddenly the richest kid on the block. Sounds amazing, right? But what if I told you that this varied treasure could trick you into making your life a little more complicated? Welcome to the bizarre world of the Dutch disease, where too much good luck can be the worst kind of bad luck for an economy. Buckle up.
Simple story. The tale of Sunnyland.
Picture a happy little country called Sunnyland. People worked hard at different jobs. Tom grew amazing, juicy oranges. Lisa made clever gadgets in her workshop. Ben ran tours showing off Sunnyland's beautiful beaches. Life was balanced. Money flowed from oranges, gadgets, and tourists. Sunnyland's currency, the sunny dollar, was just right. Not too strong, not too weak. One day, boom! They discover massive fields of sparkle gas deep underground. Suddenly, the whole world wants Sunnyland's sparkle gas. Cha-ching! Seems awesome, right? But here's where the disease sneaks in. The super strong sunny dollar. All that foreign money buying sparkle gas makes the sunny dollar super popular and super strong. Think of it like sunny dollars suddenly becoming gold-plated. Tom's oranges get pricey. Tom tries to sell his oranges overseas, but because the sunny dollar is so strong now, his oranges seem crazy expensive to foreigners. What? That's the price of 10 oranges back home, they say? Tom loses customers. His orchard struggles. Lisa's gadgets get squeezed. Lisa faces a double whammy. Abroad, her gadgets are also too expensive for foreigners now. At home, people working in the lucrative sparkle gas industry are earning big sunny dollars. They can easily afford imported gadgets that suddenly seem cheaper instead of Lisa's locally made ones. Her workshop gets quieter and quieter. Ben's tourists vanish. Foreign tourists find visiting Sunnyland suddenly very expensive. A week in Sunnyland now costs as much as a month in beachy paradise next door? No thanks. Ben's tourism business dries up. The cruel twist. While the sparkle gas industry is booming and making a few people very rich, Tom, Lisa, and Ben are going out of business. Sunnyland is becoming dangerously dependent on one thing: sparkle gas. What happens if the gas runs out, or if the world finds a cheaper alternative? Sunnyland forgot how to grow oranges, make gadgets, and attract tourists effectively. That's the Dutch disease, named after the Netherlands, who experienced this after finding huge natural gas reserves in the 1960s.
Deep dive. Unpacking the disease and fighting back.
Meet the three monsters causing the chaos. Monster number 1, the currency bully. All of that foreign cash makes your currency muscle up way too much. It pushes other exports, like Tom's oranges and Lisa's gadgets, out of the playground. Mine now, it shouts. Monster number 2, the resource zombie. The resource sector, sparkle gas, sucks up all the talent, money, and attention. Workers leave farms and factories for higher gas field wages. Banks lend more easily to gas projects than to Lisa's gadget workshop. It's like a zombie horde draining the life from other sectors. And monster number 3, the spending spree ghost. The government gets a huge tax windfall from the resource boom. Yay! But if it spends it all too quickly on big salaries, subsidies, or grand projects, it pours fuel on the fire. More demand plus same supply equals higher prices, inflation, making life harder for everyone not in gas, and making other exports even less competitive. Poof! Money vanishes without building real, lasting strength. Spotting the symptoms. Is your economy feeling sick? Symptom: You find a valuable resource, oil, gas, minerals, even lots of one crop like coffee. Symptom, your currency gets noticeably stronger compared to others. Symptom, factories close, farms struggle, tourism dips, your non-resource exports tank. Symptom, everyone seems obsessed with the resource sector. Other businesses complain they can't compete for workers or loans. Symptom, government spending suddenly skyrockets, often financed by resource money. The antidote toolkit, how smart places avoid the curse. Finding treasure doesn't have to sink your ship. Wise countries use tools like the Sovereign Wealth Fund, the Rainy Day Piggy Bank. Instead of spending all of the resource cash immediately, save a big chunk. Norway is the superstar here. They put their oil money into a giant global investment fund. The earnings from that fund, not the oil money itself, help pay for schools and hospitals forever, without overheating the economy or killing other industries. It's like living off the interest of your lottery win, not blowing the jackpot. Sterilizing the cash flow. Don't let the money run wild. The central bank can try to soak up some of the foreign cash flooding in to prevent the currency from getting too strong. Think of it like using a giant sponge to mop up excess water before it floods the house. Economy. Invest wisely. Build tomorrow's strengths today. Use resource money to invest outside the resource sector. Build amazing schools and universities, human capital. Fund research into new technologies. Upgrade roads, ports, and internet, infrastructure. Support farmers and factories to become more efficient and competitive despite the strong currency. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in the sparkle gas basket. Go slow on spending. Resist the sugar rush. Governments need discipline. Avoid massive, immediate spending increases fueled only by resource money. Budget responsibly. That spending spree ghost is tempting, but it causes long-term headaches. Real-world roller coaster. Who won? Who lost? The near miss, Norway. Struck massive oil. Said, whoa, let's be careful. Created the world's largest SWF. Invested heavily in education and tech. Result, thriving economy beyond oil. High standard of living. They dodged the disease. The cautionary tale. Venezuela and others. Found huge oil, spent like crazy, neglected everything else. When oil prices crashed, economic collapse, hyperinflation, misery. The Dutch disease hit hard. The mixed bag. Australia, Canada. Rich in minerals, face some Dutch disease pressures, like strong currency hurting manufacturing, but strong institutions, investment, and diversification efforts help manage it. It's a constant balancing act.
So, the next time you hear about a country hitting the jackpot with oil or gold, don't just cheer. Ask, are they planting the seeds for future farms, or just gorging on cake today? Are they building a sturdy ship, or letting the treasure weigh them down? The Dutch disease is a powerful reminder that true wealth isn't just what you find, it's what you build and sustain. It's about making sure your golden anchor doesn't drag your entire economy to the bottom of the sea. Stay curious, think smart, and remember, balance is everything. Now, go tell someone about Sunnyland Sparkle Gas and how not to get sick from treasure.